Hey everyone, hope this video finds you well. Today I want to share something with you in regards to the trade that I took on LYFT this morning while I was live streaming on the channel. You can find that video archived on the YouTube channel, or you can also find more information about all that I'm doing on traderscolony.com. Remember that the site is all free accounts, and you don't have to put any kind of credit card information or nothing like that to share your ideas there. This morning, I was watching AIM, the AIM stock, which started to pick up a lot of volume in the market because it was awarded a little bit over $8 million from the Department of Defense of the United States. And I figured that, it's probably going to go really high. And well, it was almost 90% higher in the pre-market hours. When the news came out, it was only over 30%. On the LYFT trade here, it started to downtrend, and I figured that it was going to be a pretty good trade. For the guys on the live stream, you know that I told you that I wanted to get an entry under the flag here on the 1 minute time frame, under the low of this candle, $44.43 right here. Right here, we had the breakdown on that bear flag formation, but it didn't just flush right away. We had a little bounce, micro bounce of the 1 minute time frame here on this one minute candle, on the green one. And then we have another candle that rejected on the way up here that didn't get even close to the high of this candle, 44.59. We only had 44.56. Pullback from here, started to downtrend on the flush down here. Prior to the hanging man on the 1 minute here, down in this candle, I took a quarter out to take some profits down. And then we had this one bounce here that I was actually still holding. Then we resumed the downtrend yet again. On the retest of this area down here, I took another quarter out, and then I was just holding half, plunging through this trend down here. I covered some again at $44.23 around this candle, the third one that I took, third exit, and I was already 3/4 out. And then we plunged yet again onto this, and on the way down here, when we pull back on this candle, I actually covered the under $44.10 that I was telling you guys that I was looking for that push under the 10-cent price, and we drop all the way from 44.12. It had a nice drop really quick to 44.05. On that plunge, I actually covered the quarter that I was holding, started to consolidate here, making this pennant formation that you can see here on the 5 minute time frame, and it went sideways here for a moment. If you notice here, it's very, very important. I want to show you guys this thing right here. We can see the candles, each one of the candles making a new highs here on this bounce, getting lower highs on this volume bars, which indicated that the trend was actually going to roll over again. And the reason why you see this trend line here at 44.19 was because I was looking at exactly 44.19 level that I figured it was not going to break on this reversal on the trend that we were having here. And then when it broke down, you can see here another formation with a doji on the 5, and this was a little bit of consolidation here that you can see. But prior to that, the reason why you see this doji here, and let me pull it right back so you can see, is because we have a bear flag formation right here that broke down under the low here of 43.60, but then had a little bounce, flush, consolidation. While I was actually developing this little bit of consolidation on the 1 minute time frame here. I was telling the guys on the live stream about this, that it was just going to roll over at the breakdown of this consolidation. If you notice here, we had a low of 43.46 at the breakdown here, 43.46. It just flushed and kept on, you know, printing new lows and new lows. And then just look at the trend, so clean all the way to the low of this candle here, $42.81 to the low exactly right here, this candle on 5 minutes. So there's a little bit of consolidation on the one, broke down, it was around here in this nice flush. But today the trend was actually very, very clean to the downside. It was extremely clean, couple of good entries and nice possibilities for very good trades to the downside on LYFT. I just wanted to bring you this really small video here and show you how the trend of LYFT moved today, what the price action did, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Just as a little bit of extra information, if anybody is trying to get a TC2000 platform because they like it or for whatever reason, you will find a link on the description of this video with a $25 discount for the first order if you want to do that and go that route. I want to thank you guys for the time here. Enjoy the rest of your days and happy trading.